In this video, have we already seen the Bitcoin bottom? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade these guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, today we are going to talk about the two things here. Number one, it is the longer time frame to determine if we have already seen the Bitcoin bottom. Then number two, we are going to discuss the short-term price action, as we want to give you an update on where is Bitcoin going. So right now, let's discuss muna itong bigger time frame. And the best way to determine the Bitcoin bottom dito is using the 200 week moving average. And the reason why I've been countlessly saying this multiple times na nga sa past, that the reason why you have to look at the 200 week moving average is because in the past, that has determined the Bitcoin bottom. If you recall, last March, sabi ko nga sa inyo, the Bitcoin bottom is going to be around the 58K, and we're going to revisit that statement na sinabi ko nga na dati na 58 to 60K more likely in Bitcoin bottom, or maybe 55K. We are going to dive back doon, but let's discuss this one first. So as you can see, back in 2015, the Bitcoin bottom was determined by the 200 week moving average. So as you can see, after that, we have seen a bull market dito kay Bitcoin after hitting the 200 week moving average. Same goes din dito back in 2019. It also followed the similar fate wherein nag-touch siya muna sa 200 week moving average. And same goes with 2020 noong COVID crash. 200 week moving average ang sumasalo parate dito sa Bitcoin price action. And then as you can see, regardless kung saang price ka nag-enter sa 200 week moving average, as long as nasa 200 week moving average ka, you will automatically get profits dito if you are already going to buy at the 200 week moving average. Same goes din dito, 200 week moving average, ganun din yung nangyari. And the only time na wherein we went below the 200 week moving average was during the last cycle, wherein we had spillover dito, wherein lumagpas siya below the 200 week moving average. But as you can see, regardless kung saan ka dito bumili, as you can see, regardless kung saan ka dyan bumili, it's still going to be it's still going to be the best area for you to buy Bitcoin. Kasi as you can see, you will still be in profits regardless kung ano man mangyari dyan sa price action na yan. So as you can see, right now, Bitcoin is at the similar area. And as you can see, the Bitcoin bottom dito as per the data. Take note, hindi ako yung nagsasabi nito. It's what the data is telling us. The 200-week moving average is currently playing around the 58 to 60,000 US dollars. So it's telling us that the Bitcoin bottom right now is currently in the 60,000 US dollars, or pwede nating sabihin is nakita na natin yung Bitcoin bottom already. So pretty much bold statement para sabihin yan, pero take note, what I am telling you guys is what is based on the data dito. And another confirmation na pwede nyo tingnan is dito, every time na nagka-touch tayo dito sa 200-week moving average, if you're going to look at the monthly stochastic RSI, dapat magkakaroon siya ng bullish cross sa monthly stochastic RSIs. Similar to what we have seen sa mga previous movement, dito sa area na yan, ito, sa area na yan, kung saan nag-hit yung 200-week moving average, dapat magkakaroon ng bullish cross. And as you can see right now, it's currently playing that 200-week moving average and then stochastic RSI na crosses nga. So it could be telling us na right now we have already seen that Bitcoin bottom already. And in this case, the main question right now is where is Bitcoin going to be within the consolidation area, kasi after a Bitcoin bottom comes a very long consolidation area dito before we see a bull market. So right now, the main question dito na ngayon is where is the consolidation area ni Bitcoin? So right now, let's now talk about the short term dito, short term price action. If you're going to look at this in the weekly time frame, meron tayong bullish stochastic RSI cross. So this could tell us that we might see Bitcoin go back to some certain areas such as the 73,000 US dollars or something around that area. But if you're going to look at this in the RSI, sa RSI, if open natin na maayos yung chart, sa daily time frame, sorry medyo magulo na siya dito, but sa daily time frame, meron tayong bullish divergence. So this could tell us that we still have a lot of room for Bitcoin to go to the upside. And if you're going to zoom out in the weekly time frame, ito sa weekly naman, and disregard nyo yung drawings na yan, but clearly, may declining price tayo dito, and then increasing RSI. So similar din sa daily, meron din tayong increasing RSI sa weekly. So it's telling us na we are seeing a bullish divergence wherein Bitcoin could go back to some of the 70k area levels. But as you can see dito, when it comes to the consolidation area, the resistance that we are currently watching out for is around here, around the 77,000 US dollars. So roughly around that area. So what we could say now dito is the big consolidation area which Bitcoin could do is up until the 77,000 US dollars. So that could be the possible area na which we can monitor once this bullish divergence is playing out. So I don't expect Bitcoin to be very bearish within the next few weeks. Rather, I am expecting Bitcoin to be very bullish within the next few weeks. And take note, what I am telling you guys is based on the data itself. I am just interpreting the data na meron tayo dito. So right now, it's all based on data. So hindi ko kayo ina-hype or anything. It's all what the data is telling us, and that's what I've been telling you guys. Always trade by the data and not by the hype. Now, let's try to zoom in the hourly time frame kasi dito meron din tayong crucial thing na gusto kong pag-usapan. Let's try to remove the other drawings muna. And then let's open this chart properly. So as you can see, dito kay Bitcoin price action, in the current price level, we have seen a Bitcoin bullish divergence dito in the 4-hour time frame. So right now, we have seen that bullish movement playing out. And right now, we are starting to form a major resistance level, which is around the 64,000 US dollars. So right now, in order for us to see Bitcoin continue to the 66,000 US dollar level, it has to break the 64,000 US dollar muna. So right now, nag-open ako ng long position dito from the 61k up until the 64k. And then nag-take profits ako. But right now, meron ako natitirang long position na naka-open dito na inopen ko around the 63.5. And dyan sa 63.5. And then what I am waiting out for dito is for a Bitcoin breakout dyan. Kasi if magkaroon tayo dito ng breakout, then I will be adding more long position dito. And then ito target natin is yung 66k, 66.5 to be exact, because 66.5 is the previous resistance dito ni Bitcoin. So that is what I am going to monitor na dito within the next few days for the short term. But for the next few weeks, yun nga, very bullish tayo dito for the Bitcoin price action. So that is what I am going to tell you guys for the time being. And take note, I am taking advantage of this trade kay Wix, kasi kay Wix mas mura ang Bitcoin trading fees. And if wala pa kayo account with Wix, make sure to use my sign up link, which you can find in the description down below. And also use different platforms na nakalagay na rin dyan sa description ko down below. Kasi may mga bonus kayo dyan if you're going to use my sign up link. And it's also one of the best way for you guys to support my YouTube channel. So yeah, make sure to use my sign up links, which you can find in the description down below. But anyway, ayun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.